While novel coronavirus has left supermarket shelves empty for toilet rolls and hand sanitizers, some chemist shops said demand for certain Chinese herbal products have soared. Cordyceps and ginseng both enjoy ever-increasing popularity. Once the novel coronavirus invades of lungs, of white blood cells are the first immune troops rallied on the scene. This response is a critical stage of whether or not a body kills off the virus. But if the response is too intense, healthy tissue can become overly damaged and the lungs' air sacs can become filled with fluid. The combinations of these two factors can interrupt the transportation of oxygen into the bloodstream. This is the main reason why many people are killed by the virus. White blood cells make up immune armies, which include neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocytes, and monocytes. Lymphocytes are largely responsible for activating the immune response. They include B cells, T cells, and natural killer cells. The T cells are the most relevant for 2019 novel coronavirus infection. T helper cells activate B lymphocytes and cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells are responsible for clearing the infection by killing virus-infected cells, while T helper cells make sure the immune system doesn't overreact so that the infected people can get sufficient oxygen supply. A number of studies have shown that cordyceps can positively stimulate the activation of T lymphocyte, B lymphocyte, natural killer cells, and macrophages. Cordyceps was also found to work on T helper cells to kill the virus-infected cells, as well as ensure the immune system doesn't overreact. After the 2019 novel coronavirus starts attacking the air sacs of the lungs, lung tissue begins to stiffen. The heart must work harder to get limited oxygen to the rest of the organs. Not only of lungs are losing function, but also lack of oxygen puts a strain on every organ in our body. Ginseng, hailed as the king of the herbs, has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for enhancing tolerance of the organs in a condition of lack of oxygen and as an immune enhancer for thousands of years. The active chemicals, known as ginsenosides, also work as suppressors for overreaction of immune cells. Greek word Cordyceps plus capsule is composed of cordyceps and ginseng. Enhancing each other, these two herbs make a perfect herbal supplement for you to win the combat against the deadly 2019 novel coronavirus.